Guess what I'm changing on the car? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we got to do something to the lip. I've been meaning to do this for a while now. We got to install these screws. So hold it down. See these? Right, this right here, it's not doing anything. It keeps falling. As you can see, it should be up here and it's down here. And you see there's another one back here. All it's doing is holding dust. So I think I'm gonna just bring it up and pretty much screw it here so it can hold it. But I want to do this so I can mark it right before I send this to paint. I am gonna paint it. I have decided I'm just gonna go gloss black. I just like the way it looks, and then if I do change my mind, I will go white. I don't know. Oh, there we go. It should be right here. Let's do the other side.
Cooking soul,
Well, there you guys go. One screw here and one screw there. Now it's on the way it's supposed to. Now that I have you here, guess what I'm changing on the car? We are also gonna take this off. It is about time we take this wrap off, because look, you can see the white right here. That's what the heat did. So here and then here too. It just doesn't look good. So we're gonna take it off on both sides. What you guys think? Comment down below. Black? Should I redo it black or keep it white? Finally see my pearls. Now the wrap did leave a little bit of residue. You can see here. So I'm gonna just use glue off to see if I can take it off. And then just let it be a little bit on this right here. Shouldn't be that bad. Shouldn't be that bad anyway. But I cleaned it. It's clean. No more goo or whatever. Now I do have to rewrap my roof. It's time for this one to go, and we need a new one. I was gonna do it myself, but after seeing what this left, the little goo thing, whatever. Nah, I'm gonna have someone do it and they can clean the whole roof. I'm not cleaning it. That's way too long. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. It was something just simple. Comment down below, do you prefer the black or the white? I think I do like the white a little better. But stay tuned for next video. I'm gonna be explaining the update on the car and what it has and what we'll be doing to it fairly soon. So comment, like, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. And then you hear my neighbor. I really like those cars. Like, I really wanted that for us. Dude didn't even let her warm up. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Till next time.